Good morning, students, and class 12. You have a chapter called Boolean algebra. So I want to tell you what is Boolean algebra, because you know to do the problems on Boolean algebra, but at times you don't know what is Boolean algebra. If I ask you what is Boolean algebra, you tell, so what is Boolean algebra? You will ask the same question to me. So it's better that I say what is Boolean algebra. So the class that is on 28/8/2020, you can make a note in your copy. And now you see that this Boolean algebra, how it came. The algebra you know, but why Boolean algebra? Yes, mathematicians and scientists have spent centuries to find the relation between mathematics and logic. So there is mathematics, but now the logic has come. So they want to combine the two. They want to find out the relation between mathematics and logic. And you know logic means your understanding, your way of thinking, that comes a logic. And in programming there must be a logic, otherwise you will not be able to do any program. Now the person who is involved, or the person who brings this, is known as George Boole, and who discovered a link between mathematics and logic. So he found out the particular relationship in the year 1854, and he developed symbolic logic. He developed a symbolic logic. So you can use symbols in the logic. Symbolic logic, which became useful, it's become very useful. So this symbolic logic, why it is like we do Boolean algebra? Because it is useful to solve logical problems, and problems we find in the particular or when we do the programs. And what happens in mathematics? Problems in mathematics. To solve logic problems in mathematics. So mathematics, we cannot ignore mathematics. We can do mathematical problems in computer. So how we will be doing? So what is the relationship? And who has brought? George Boole. And now, and this, that to solve logical problems in mathematics, and this one, and this is known as the Boolean algebra. So this relationship that George Boole has brought up, this is known as the Boolean algebra. And you will find that the Boolean algebra deals with either of the two values, that is a true or false. So there can be two possible conditions, true or false. For example, you are doing something or not doing something. You cannot do in the mid of the thing. Okay, and you know very important things. This particular thing is also important because especially in computers you have 0 and 1, and the binary digit 0 and 1, and this is a machine language, and the signals are of 0 and 1, that is off and on. This makes the particular way that we can put inside our computer, and for that reason you will find that it deals with the two values, that's true and false. True, which is 1, and 0, which is false. So these ones and zeros in a group will make up your particular storage in the computer. So this is important. And then the problems will be solved, the mathematical problems will be solved using the logic. And over here, very important thing that you should be doing in Boolean algebra is that you must be knowing the laws of Boolean algebra. So there are various laws of Boolean algebra, which is very important. And in my next class, I will be telling you, and rather helping you out, how to know the laws and why those laws are very important. Thank you everyone. Hope you will do the particular chapter nicely. Thank you.